Okay, this is the introduction for lab number 10, and now we're going to be taking a look at series circuits versus parallel circuits. And what we're going to do is we're going to pop open this simulation right here, and I'm just going to have you mess around with first 3 batteries and prove to yourself if you had battery 1, battery 2, and battery 3, that if you stack them up like this and stack them up like that, then the voltage should actually add together. So mess around with the number of batteries and with the voltage. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pop open a circuit with the battery and the light bulb, sketch out what that is, measure the voltage across the battery and the light bulb, and verify that they're actually the same voltage. So you're going to pop open this simulation right here, and you're going to use this guy and just connect these guys really quickly, and use the voltmeter to kind of probe, these guys and see what you're doing. Bear in mind that I'm not on the intro tab, I'm actually on the lab tab right over here. Then we're going to kind of come back here. We're going to build 3 series circuits and 3 parallel circuits. We're just going to build a 1 bulb circuit, and you're going to put an ammeter right here and right here. And you're going to come down to the 1 bulb circuit, measure the battery voltage, measure the current into one battery, or into the battery and into bulb 1, and just kind of make a assessment about the brightness of the bulbs. So we're going to come back right here. You can split the junction kind of using this guy and kind of using this guy, and then you can kind of put your current meters kind of like this and kind of like that. Get this guy out of the way, and you can make some observations of current. And you can actually mess around with the battery voltage by clicking on it, and then we can kind of turn this guy up and down and make some observations right here. Then you're going to go ahead and build a 2 bulb circuit and a 3 bulb circuit, fill out this guy, and just make some observations about the overall current, the current flowing into 1, the current flowing into 2, and the one flowing into 2. What you should observe is you should observe the current being the same for all 3 of these guys, because there's only one path for the electrons to take. And then, take a wire out of the circuit, see what happens. Then you're going to build a parallel circuit. Remember, parallel, there's many paths, and this one's a little bit harder to build. You're going to start off with the same circuit you started off with before, and you're going to do a 2 bulb circuit and a 3 bulb circuit, and kind of make some observations about what's going into the battery, into 1, battery 1, 2, battery 1, 2, 3. We can even take a wire out of the middle and see what's happening.